Sister just started her big girl internship, so she's going to be doing this morning skincare routine to be glowing. Our mom taught us the importance of rice water, so that's what we're using here. My sister has the habit of just like rubbing aggressively on her skin, so here I am once again telling her to dab, dab, dab. And I want my sister to have the glowiest skin ever for her first corporate job. I'm so proud of her, so I'm giving her a vitamin C serum to just be glowy and brighten. My sister has always been like the rebel of the family, so all of us family members were like worried, what does she end up going to do? So that's why we're so proud. 5 minutes to let that moisturizer sink in. My sister asked me if she could use this as soon as she got to my apartment because she was influenced by TikTok, but she literally looks like a model using this. Medicube, if you ever need a face model, she is right here. Skin is literally glowing. All right, lastly, sunscreen. My sister and I are 9 years apart, which is why I baby her, and I'm technically her second mom, which is why with this whole internship this summer, I am so proud because usually we need like 20 alarm clocks to get her to wake up, but now she's waking up by herself at 6 a.m. going to work in her corporate outfit. So we are so proud, and keep up the good work, Ash.